Hi there, welcome back to another exciting video. Before we dive into today's content, if you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on my future videos. Alright, in this video, we are going to see one CSS property, font display. So, the font display property defines how font files are loaded and displayed by the browser. It is applied to the font face rule, which defines the custom fonts in our style sheet. And basically, CSS font display is a font face descriptor, not a property. So please keep this in your mind. And possible values are auto, block, swap, fallback, and optional. So in this video, we are going to create one simple example which will use font display. And let's see how we can do that. So first of all, let me show you. In this example, we are using font family Syncopate. It is a Google fonts, okay, and we are using this font family. But what we are going to do, we are going to introduce one font using font face. So the font family, you can give name whatever you want. My custom fonts, okay, my custom font. For example, in URL I have downloaded one font and put it here. You can see it is this Allura regular, okay. So here dot slash ALLURA regular dot WFF2, and here format will be WOFF2, and we will also add another source here, that is Allura regular WOFF, and format is WOFF. With this you can add font display, okay. So here we are missing the semicolon, font display, and the default value will be auto, okay. So let's see if it is working. So let it get reload, and we need to change this custom font to our body, okay. So we are updating body font here. So let's see. As you can see, this font is now the newly applied font, that is Allura regular font, right? And I can show you using this what font here. When you let me reload, and yeah, you can see it is showing that my custom font, because font family here is my custom font, and in my custom font we have added these two font as our font family, okay. So how this font display works, okay, let me show you. So the first value, possible value, is auto, and that is default value. This default auto value allows the browser to use its default method for loading, which is most commonly similar to block value. So let's see what block value does. So this block value asks the browser to briefly hide the text until the font has fully downloaded. So for example, if I am giving font display value as block, what this block value do, right now you might not be able to see this effect on this page because it is loading very fast. But when you add this block as a font display value, this will ask browser to hide the text until the font has fully downloaded, right? So this is very good example when you don't want to load any you don't want to show the user, the end user, any bad font or anything else. In that case, you can use this font display property, right? So more accurately, the browser will draw the text with an invisible placeholder, and then it will swap it with the custom font as soon as it will load. So this is how this block value works. third value is swap. Okay, so you might have seen in many Google font, when you import Google fonts, you might have seen this font display value as swap. So what this swap value does, this swap value asks the browser to use the fallback font to display the text until the custom font has fully downloaded, right? And this is also known as flash of unstyled text, FOUT. So what does it mean? So it means that when you use this swap value, it will ask browser to use a fallback font. So you might need to add a fallback font here. Whenever this font is not fully downloaded, that fallback font will load, and once this custom font will get downloaded on your browser, it will swap with this custom fonts. So this is most commonly used value for font display. The next value is fallback. So yeah, fallback. So this is acting as a between value from auto and swap. So what exactly this fallback value does? The browser will hide the text for about 100 milliseconds. And if the font has not yet been downloaded, it will use the fallback text. So you can see it is working between auto and swap values, right? And it will swap the new font after it is downloaded. It is fully downloaded, right? But it will only during the short swap period, around 3 seconds. Okay, so this is how fallback value works. And the last value is optional. Yeah, so like fallback, this optional value tells the browser to initially hide the text, then transition to a fallback font until the custom font is available to use, right? So this is optional, but in my opinion, most of the times we use this font display value as swap. Okay, so this is a very good idea when you are using your custom fonts to use font display property. And there are one concern, there is only one concern about this font display property. It is not supported by Internet Explorer, but if you are using Edge, Firefox, Chrome or Safari, whether it is desktop or mobile, you don't have to worry, it is fully supported. Okay, so just keep this in your mind whenever you are using this font display value property in your CSS. Okay, so this was all about this video, guys. If you are new to my channel, please have a look at my channel. You can see there are more than 290 videos, and most of the videos are on CSS properties. So you can visit this playlist. There are more than 70 videos. There is another playlist called CSS selectors, where I have covered all these possible CSS selectors. Also, there is one playlist for HTML. You can see here the JavaScript tutorials for beginners. You can have a look, and there are few videos on WordPress, the chat GPT integration, and React as well. So you can have a look. And all right, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me today. Now I want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care, and I will catch you